Hello everyone, it's Magpie J and Akira, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple strawberry out of polymer clay. So to start, I have my red clay and I'm going to shape this into a raindrop shape. To do that, I'm just pinching one end between my fingers to make it sharper than the other end, and then I'm just fixing all of the other edges until it's the shape that I like this. Next, I'm making a hole in the top. This is going to be for the stem. I just used a little needle tool, but anything will work. And then I got my green, and that's going to be the stem. Next, I'm making some leaves for that little patch of leaves on the top of the strawberries around the stem. For this, I'm using that same needle tool, and I'm just poking 4 lines and then 1 in the middle. I'm going to do this several times for every leaf. This is how the first one came out, and then I'm just sticking that on right next to the stem. It kind of ends up looking like an apple right here, but I promise it'll look like a strawberry once all of the leaves are on. Here's me placing another leaf. I think the leaves got better as I was making them because that one looks a lot better than the first one. Here's what it looks like with all the leaves on. I put 2 little extra ones by the stem because I thought it looked more realistic with the little tufts of them sticking up. And then for the seeds, I'm just indenting instead of rolling every single seed out because that would take forever, and I think this one looks just as good, honestly, so I'm poking them in a kind of random pattern, and it turned out, I think, it looks like a strawberry. And that's basically it. You could do this with any color and it would be super cute. Here's how it turned out, and then totally optional, you can add a cute little face if you want. It definitely looks more realistic without the face, but I know a lot of you guys like cute things, want to make small little jellycat-esque things, and this is how I did it. So that's how I make a simple strawberry. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, remember to like and subscribe. We're finally at the 99,000 mark, which is kind of insane. I would like to take a moment to thank my patrons. Thank you so much to Chris, Jill, Kelly, Michelle, and Pat. You guys are so amazing. Thank you so much for all of the support on my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye!